Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking, and on today's episode I want to show you how I make my cheesy garlic bread, a side dish that goes well with spaghetti, meatballs and so much. I'm gonna take you to the ingredients and we're gonna get started. We're gonna need I'm using 2 loaf bread. You can do this into just one if you don't want to do 2, but the recipe will cost you for 2 loaf and they are 450 gram each. Some grated mozzarella, salt, frozen fresh parsley chopped, minced garlic or crushed garlic, and some softened butter at room temperature. My oven is preheating 400 Fahrenheit, and right now all I'm gonna do is to my butter I'm gonna add my garlic. Now I'm using a whole head of garlic over here. The name is garlic bread. And add my parsley, just a pinch of salt, and just give everything a good mix just until combined. Okay, that's good enough. My garlic butter mixture is ready, and I'm just gonna set this on the side. And now my loaf bread. Now let me show you. This is the line that goes on the bread, and this is the side. I'm going to cut this into half. Okay, now I'm gonna try to open the bread but not to split this into half. And now I'm gonna spread my garlic butter in to both sides. Okay, so this is done, and now you're gonna spread your mozzarella cheese. Put a lot. And this is ready. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this in the oven, and I will see you soon. My cheesy garlic bread is ready. They were in the oven for 15 minutes on 400 Fahrenheit, and after 15 minutes I switch it to broiler for half a minute, and gorgeous golden brown. The cheese has been melted, and I have already separated this one, and you can see I'm gonna go ahead and cut this one as well. I have cut them into slices, and I'm gonna cut the rest as we are serving it. Hope you enjoyed this video with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you next time. Bye.